手拿紧，还有小鸡丁。神奇的双节棍呼啦啦啦，我就喜欢爆米花。黄鼠狼不要小看我们，我可是小鸡不好惹。
我们是出名的黄鼠狼，我们有锋利的爪子和尖尖的牙。
今天我们就要去捉鸡了，
小鸡们，你们可要小心啦！
我们是小鸡不好惹，喜欢自由的生活。谁要是欺负我们的朋友，
谁？
哼，看谁敢！
我们就告诉他，我们是小鸡不好惹。
哇哦，小鸡们好厉害呀！快，演出开始啦！快点！
What's all that noise? Oh, so annoying! Hey! Oh, who's making all that noise? How can I concentrate on my video games? So much racket going on! Free range! What are you up to?
Hey.
What are you doing, Free Range?
Oh, I'm just cleaning up the master's lair in the hopes that he'll teach me more kung fu.
You're tidying up his room?
Yeah, making it spiffy.
Oh, this place stinks. I'm going back to my game.
Okay, later, small fry. Whoa. Master, I know this menial labor is designed to test my devotion to your esteemed martial path. The flame inside never dies! Wah!
Daddy, he's scary.
Don't worry, son. We're safe here.
You glutton! You idiot! Get off my tail!
Slim, I'm sorry.
Quiet, you dummy! If that crazy chicken free range finds us here, he'll pound us into the ground. You wouldn't like that, would you? Huh, would you?
Cockroach Central, man. Don't go over there. Whoa, small fry, come away with me. This is too horrible. Hey, just stay right here. We'll be all right. Whoa. Whoa, how disgusting. Whoa, those nasty, creepy, crawly.
Oh, Free Range. What did you see in there that was so scary?
It looks like Free Range was scared by something.
No way. Free Range scared of something?
This is gonna look so bad on my Kung Fu Genius record.
Hey! Free Range, you need to chill out.
Oh, small fry.
Free Range, what's in the house that scared you?
Well, like,
You were in Uncle Wattles' room cleaning just now, weren't you? Oh, Uncle Wattles' room. Do you mean? Are you talking about...
no, hey, whoa. This is like my totally personal, deep, dark secret, all right, man? Whoa.
Vermin, man! They're like everywhere, busting out of all corners. We gotta get out of here, dude! How'd they get out?
Yeah, Glutton, now we know Free Range's Achilles heel, yeah!
Huh? Achilles heel? What's that?
It means it's Free Range's weak point. Did you see that? Free Range is afraid of bugs. He's so scared of them, we'll become friends with all the bugs and make them fight against him.
But Slim, you have any idea what kind of bugs he's scared of? Slim, are you sure we're gonna catch Free Range today?
I spent the whole night collecting all kinds of bugs from the farm. Every kind I can find. They're all here in this bag. So tell me, who's the smartest weasel in town?
It's gotta be you, Slim.
Correct! 10 points for you!
All right, Slim. I bet Free Range will make a nice roast chicken. I even brought desserts here.
Huh?
Look. This is for after dinner.
You knucklehead! You're thinking about dessert already? We have to catch Free Range first. These bugs is all we need.
Slim, wait for me.
The flame inside never dies.
Free Range, let's see how you like my friends. Ta-da!
No, it's a huge scorpion. Aren't you afraid of his sting, Slim?
Of course not, dummy. Look, I'm wearing gloves. Here, watch closely. Go ahead and try to sting me. I ain't afraid of you with these gloves on. Now, go over there and sting Free Range. Free Range is gonna be too scared to move.
Whoa, what's that? Whoa, how cute! Oh my goodness, where'd you come from, little guy?
What? No way! The scorpion didn't sting him! Come on, sting him! Come on!
Slim, looks like your tricks ain't working.
What are you so happy about?
Hey, little guy, you're far away from home. Don't you want to go back? Oh, there you go. Look, there you go. Go on home, man. That's it. And I'm gonna do the same myself. The flame inside never dies!
Huh! You let Free Range get away. It's all your fault. Why couldn't you just sting him like I planned? The little bugger got me.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Free Range, try this one on for size. Oh, I can feel the pain just by looking at her. I think she's good and mad now. Free Range, get ready for the pain of her stinger.
Oh yeah, sting him, sting him.
Here.
61, 62, 63.
That's it. We're gonna become real weasels right now. Oh, I'm gonna eat chicken for the first time in my life. And if we can catch Free Range, we'll be able to catch any chicken we want.
Right.
71, 72, 73.
Why didn't we hear him scream? Huh?
98, 99.
No, it's going back.
Huh, you're supposed to go that way. Yeah.
109. 119. Whoa, seize the day, man. It's the only one we've got. Wow.
No.
199, 200. Whoa, finally finished with that. Next, punching practice.
We'll try this one on for size. Ha ha!
Whoa, not bad.
Huh? I'm fed up with this. None of these bugs is working. Yeah.
You two rotten weasels!
Huh?
The pain of my existence, man! Let me out of here! Whoa! Save me!
Oh, that was loud. Could it be those pesky weasels again?
Huh? So, this tiny cockroach is what you've been running for, huh?
Whoa, whoa! Don't come near me, man! Don't come near me!
This is fantastic! Free range is ours now!
Real chicken at last.
快快站起望远镜，看着可别眨眼睛，热气就轰隆隆加马力，这是最冒险的 party。爱冒险的伙伴们来 happy， 我会手猛地抓住一道霹雳。 不管是在夏威夷或南极，我在哪里就有冒险 party， 深呼吸，躲开陷阱，一起踩着绿豆在火上滑冰。
悄悄地靠近你，别想跑，我一定要抓到你。
挺起胸，别再犹豫，在大草原上驾驶着轰炸机。
睁开眼，这是哪里？正待在鲸鱼肚子里。